Very good morning, students. As you know that yesterday I have told you about the causes of poverty in India, and today it's a very important part of the lesson how the government combat the poverty in India. Combating the poverty in India. Combating means how to control this situation in India. Measures to remove poverty. There is a combating, many type of combating by the government follow to control the poverty. Combating means control, to control. Combating poverty through GDP growth. The first step taken by the government to increase the GDP growth, because when the pace of GDP growth, new opportunity of employment, when the government pays the GDP growth, it's create the new opportunities for the employment, and automatically we can eradicate poverty from this type of GDP growth. Number two is combating poverty by improving the distributions of income. Government always want to be to control the distribution of income in a manner to control all the taxation policy. There are two type of policies by the government, which government taken by the. Number one is physical measures. Physical measures means the policies of taxation and subsidy. Government also wants to be implemented the high taxes of the high payer of the citizen of the India, and the low taxes for the low payer of the citizen of the India. Greater reliance on a progressive tax. Progressive tax, the best example of the progressive tax is income tax. So government emphasis on greater progressive tax on the rich persons, and subsidy for the tax receipts user for the subsidy. Government also use the subsidy for the poor persons. Many type of subsidy given by the government, and capital grants, order for poor, construction for their houses. Government also emphasis for the capital grant for the poor, for the construction of their houses and all the other facilities. So these are the physical measures by the government taken for the removing the poverty. Number two is legislative measures. This is a very important word, legislative. Legislative means when the government taken some steps against the poverty elevation, how can the poverty elevate in the country? So number one is minimum wage. Minimum wage acts. The government has decided that all the citizens of India, if he or she wants to be the labor, any work, so the minimum wage is limited by the government. And number two is policies for the price floor. Always government emphasis on the fixation of the price floor for the any commodity, because by this way the government try to be affected the poor persons, and minimum price of for the farmers, because the minimum price if not set by the government, it may create the inflation in the country. So this is also very essential. And last one is right to education. All the governments always want to be emphasis on the education. By the increasing the education facilities in India, the government indirectly control the poverty situations. These are the combating poverty by improving the taxation systems. Number third is combating poverty through population control. It's very essential, because if the population increasing day by day, how can this possible that the poverty we can remove? Because per capita income is national income upon population. If population increase day by day, so it's very difficult to control the poverty. So it's very essential. Control the poverty through population control. And last one is other measures. देखिए और ज़्यादा और कई कारण होते हैं जिसके द्वारा सरकार गरीबी को नियंत्रण करने के लिए उपाय करती है. Number one is development of agriculture. Government always emphasis to the development of the agriculture. Subsidy in the price level. Government also stability in the price level. सरकार चाहती है कि जो प्राइस लेवल है उसमें स्टेबिलिटी आए, क्योंकि ज़्यादा अगर प्राइस बढ़ेंगे तो इन्फ्लेशन होगा और गरीबी की समस्या और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी. Eradication of unemployment. Government also want to be the eradication of unemployment. Labor intensive technique of production, because India is a big country and where we have not so much capital, but we have the human powers. So government always want to be implemented the labor intensive technique for the productions. So this is also Dr. Mudryal's always emphasis on this technique, labor intensive technique of the productions. Last one is provision for minimum needs. In a democratic country, government always want to be that all the human beings may fulfill their minimum needs. By the so many types of programs are going on in India for emphasis on the minimum needs program. Special focus on purchased opportunities for self-employment. government always emphasis on the self-employment. Government targeted the persons who are technically strong and they can develop their own business. So in many programs, government emphasis on the self-employment. And effective for greater production units, government always try to be establish the greater production unit for the production of the country. So by this combating programs, government always want to be control the poverty in India. So thank you very much, student. Tomorrow we will discuss about the last aspect of this lesson, the policies and program of the government. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.